I'm ready now, so I'm just gonna click play here, and we're logging onto the servers, which are dynamically built. It's starting. And I think I saw someone which I want to kill. We have sort of a dynamic way of pursuing, which I think Fortnite doesn't have that, so that's unique for us to have that. If you come across this side, you have or if you come across this side, depending on how you play it, you can really match and mix it up. And I think I'm gonna take this win, right?
Yeah.
And now I have received just 1 second ago. I received some coins.
Yeah, and then it goes through the blockchain and paid out automatically.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got the little notification
Notification there. I got some wheat also.
Yeah.